Welcome to our channel. Today we how to improve nutrition with HelloFresh easy tutorial step by step clearly. Start by visiting the HelloFresh website or downloading the HelloFresh app. Create your account by providing the necessary details. Select your meal plan based on your dietary preferences and family size. Browse through the weekly menu featuring a variety of recipes. Choose meals that appeal to you and fit your nutritional goals. Review the nutritional information provided for each meal. Consider including options that introduce new ingredients or cooking techniques. Adjust your meal selections based on seasonal produce and dietary needs. Check out your cart to ensure everything looks good before finalizing your order. Once your meals arrive, unpack the ingredients and read through the recipe cards. Organize your ingredients by recipe to streamline your cooking process. Follow the instructions step by step for each meal to ensure proper preparation. Substitute ingredients if needed to align with your health goals or preferences. Experiment with cooking methods suggested in the recipe for variety. Plate your meals thoughtfully to enhance presentation and enjoyment. Track your energy levels and satisfaction after each meal to assess improvement in nutrition. Make notes on your favorite recipes and any adjustments you made. Continue to explore new recipes each week to keep your meals exciting and nutritious. Remember to maintain portion control and listen to your body's hunger cues. Utilize HelloFresh as a tool to relieve meal planning stress while boosting nutrition. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.